Hello everyone, so I recently purchased the new GoPro Hero 10 along with a bunch of accessories for my riding season 2022 to take with me along the trip. So I looked at some things that I might need along the route when I'm traveling or to record on different angles, and based on that I said made a list, ordered it directly on GoPro and got them delivered. So let's go ahead, unbox them together and see all the accessories, what I ordered and what it is. The first one would definitely be the GoPro Hero 10 camera. It came in a box. Let's box it. Here's the box that it came in. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so here comes accessories that came in the box, along few clips here, the GoPro Hero 10, couple of batteries, and some of the mounts here, probably a charging cable inside here as well, and a few other things. So that's the first one I ordered. You probably might have seen many of you online, but I just thought might do a quick unboxing. The second one is a Jaws flex clamp. Now this, I've seen many people using it for their recording, and honestly it's been on my list for quite some time. It's a pretty good device as well. Let's order it. Let's not order, I already ordered it. Let's see what comes along in the box. Some lifetime warranty instructions, and here's the clamp. Let's look at the clamp. Very sturdy clamp, and that's what I liked about it. Like, you could basically mount it anywhere, any part of the motorcycle, and this thing will not move. What it comes with is this clamp that goes on top here, and probably my GoPro will be mounted here, and then I can twist and turn, mount it on anywhere on the motorcycle, anywhere, and this should be good for that. Let's go ahead and see what's here. So this is a media mount for my GoPro Hero 10. Keep in mind that the media mod for 9 and 10 are the same, so nothing much has changed. What's this? Again, limited warranty. Some more book. Here's another mount for that, and screw. These are very helpful, so I always keep these mount and screws on me, because these are something that you will need. I would say they're never less. Like, even if I have like 50 of these, you will always need them someplace or the other. So always keep these, and that's what I always do. But here's the media mod. Anything else in the box? No, I don't think. Yeah, it's all empty. Here's the media mod. Insert the GoPro Hero 10 in this, and I should be good. I'll show you all this at the end, but let's do the quick unboxing now. Here's the remote as well. So I saw a few friends using the remote of GoPros on their motorcycle. They mount it on their handlebar, and it becomes very convenient, especially when you're riding. The last thing you want is be touching your or pressing the button on your GoPro Hero 10, 9, 8, whichever GoPro you're using, to turn it on and off. And I've done it many times, and sometimes after riding for good 5-10 hours, you don't feel your thumb, or you're tired. You just don't feel it. So you don't want to be distracted, and honestly this remote really helps. So I've seen some great videos about it, and let's see what's inside the box here. So I guess this comes with a cable, with the probably an arm belt that I could probably put it on my arm here and mount the remote. Oh my god, this is the first time I'm seeing the remote. Pretty tiny, very tiny remote. We'll probably be testing this out as well. Again, some books and other things, but let's put this aside. Let's see what else came inside the box. Anything else? No. That's done. Oh yeah, here's another ElGrande extension pole. So this is another pole that I ordered. Again, the reason was same. I wanted something. I do have a lot, but this was just a decision I made. I don't know how much would I use this pole, but it might be helpful, you know, along the trip to use it. Maybe some places when you want to take a wider angle or a wider view of the thing. So this packaging just has the mount, and here's what it is. Very sturdy, very good quality. I think you can mount this on a tripod as well here, and this is the extension of the mount. Is that the maximum? Yeah, that could be the maximum, I think. So that's the maximum. Let me read. What's the extension? I don't even remember. Yeah. So it says it extends up to 38 inches. So maximum 38 inches, minimum 15 inches. That's the extension, and with a 360 rotation. So perfect. You unlock it and then lock it. Okay, interesting. So you unlock, you extend it up, and then I guess you twist it to lock it. And then, yeah, so you extend it first, then you twist it to lock it, and it's to unlock it you go counterclockwise, and it's you know, unlocked and back to the normal position. The last accessory that I ordered was a dual battery charger and a battery. Now I do have 2 batteries that you already saw that came with the GoPro, but if many of you travel, you probably know that no matter how many batteries you buy for your GoPros, they're never enough. Especially riding on long routes, one battery I've seen maximum lasts you about 45 minutes, 50 minutes. Depending on, you know, how old the battery is, how much you're charging, and all the other things. So it comes with a cable, and what else it comes with? Comes with a cable, a battery, a lot of instructions. I don't know why they put all these instructions in a very tiny box. So, you know, comes with 1 extra battery and the charging box, and I have 2 other batteries, so I have 3 in total now. Should be good enough for my trip. You know, you plug in, and this is what it is. Also got a free memory card. So here's a 32 GB memory card. Again, memory cards, no matter how many you have, they're never enough. You know, you always need more. And I try to record different trips or different segments of my recording on different memory cards, just in case if one is corrupted or something happens, you know, I'm not stuck or stranded with the thing. So that's it, everyone. That was just a quick unboxing to show you. I didn't have to really do that, but I was like, might as well do it for anyone who's looking to, you know, purchase some gear in 2022. So they could see when I'm riding along and recording what sort of riding gear or cameras that I'm using in 2022 to make all my videos. So like I said, a GoPro here with 2 batteries and, you know, other things. Here's a media mod. I do have an external mic as well, that a lavalier mic that I have it installed on my helmet. I've shown it in my previous videos as well. Let me know if you don't find it, and I can always link that again. Here's a small remote as well that I ordered. I've never had this. This is another charging box, you know, for multiple batteries. Here's a clamp, a flex clamp that can be installed, you know, anywhere on the bike or anywhere. Basically, it's a very good thing, you know, to install. And here's an extension pole. So, you know, you can mount your media, your GoPro, sorry, on this, and, you know, you should be able to record and use it. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Till next time, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.